To make sure all the circuits are correct and have the right connections, we test every PCB electrically. We look for any unexpected open or short circuits, ensuring everything works as it should. There are two common ways to test for basic open and short circuits. One is the bed of nails or fixture machine, suitable for checking large batches in high volume. The other is the flying probe test. The flying probe method is typically used for smaller volumes, prototypes, and dense or fine pitch products. It tests each electrical net individually, so it takes longer to test. The bed of nails or fixture testing is very fast, as it tests all electrical nets at the same time. In many cases, this machine automatically separates tested boards into pass and fail stacks. Before using the bed of nails or fixture machines, we need to build a unique test fixture for the specific PCB being tested. Passed PCBs are marked accordingly. An additional test is the 4-wire Kelvin test, focusing on checking net continuity and resistance. Hidden defects such as hole integrity can only be efficiently located by requiring a 4-wire Kelvin test. This is crucial for HDI structures, assessing the reliability of through-hole plating along with connections between blind via, microvia holes and their connected layers. At NCAB, we ensure 100% electrical testing following IPC 9252 standards, and we mark PCBs for traceability after testing. We recommend our customers to connect with our local offices to discuss additional tests like impedance or 4-wire testing to enhance their design quality.